Hello everyone, welcome to Queen Sanaz channel. Let's start our new lesson. Lesson 27. 1. Detect, discover, notice. 2. Abandon, leave. 3. Keen, eager. 4. Jeopardize, endanger. 5. Deceit, dishonesty. 6. Resist, oppose. 7. Notorious, famous for something bad, infamous. 8. Deprive, take away. 9. Exaggerate, overstate. 10. Triumph, victory. 11. Compress, press together. 12. Evident, obvious. Lesson 28. Susceptible, easily affected. 2. Eliminate, remove. 3. Catastrophe, disaster. 4. Anticipate, expect. 5. Durable, long-lasting. 6. Reluctant, unwilling. 7. Emphasize, stress, highlight. 8. Pursue, follow. 9. Abundant, plentiful. 10. Inevitable, unavoidable. 11. Contradict, disagree. 12. Temporary, short term. Lesson 29. Vocabulary. 1. Abundant, plentiful. 2. Peculiar, unusual. 3. Elaborate, detailed. 4. Contaminate, pollute. 5. Conclude, finish. 6. Nourish, feed. 7. Transform, change. 8. Appreciate, value, admire. 9. Sincere, honest. 10. Fortunate, lucky. 11. Remarkable, extraordinary. 12. Inspire, encourage, motivate. The journey to success. Emma was a keen student who wanted to improve her English every day. She tried to detect her weaknesses instead of ignoring them because she knew that giving up would jeopardize her dreams. She never wanted to abandon her goals, even when learning became difficult. One day, her teacher warned the class that this site would never lead to real success. Everyone should resist the temptation to cheat because honesty is always the best choice. It soon became evident that students who practiced every day made faster progress. They did not exaggerate their problems. Instead, they celebrated every small triumph and learned how to compress long notes into short summaries. Some students were susceptible to distractions, but Emma decided to eliminate anything that wasted her time. She knew that poor study habits could become a learning catastrophe. She learned to anticipate challenges before they appeared. Although she was sometimes reluctant to study after a long day, she remembered her dream. Her teacher continued to emphasize the value of consistency and encouraged everyone to pursue knowledge. The learning resources around her were abundant, and she realized that success was almost inevitable if she never gave up. She refused to contradict her own goals with negative actions because every difficult moment was only temporary. Later, Emma visited a science museum where she saw many peculiar inventions. A guide gave an elaborate explanation about protecting the environment and explained how pollution can contaminate rivers and oceans. At the end of the visit, Emma concluded that education has the power to change lives. Healthy food can nourish both the body and the mind, while knowledge can transform a person's future. She learned to appreciate every opportunity to study. Her sincere effort made her feel fortunate, and her remarkable progress became an example for others. Her story continued to inspire everyone around her to work hard and never stop learning. Thank you for watching Queen Sanaz video. Goodbye.